fact is that as long as central banks are going to continue to print money, the value of the currency is going to continue to fall, and you're going to continue to need something to hedge that loss of purchasing power. And gold has done that for literally thousands of years. When it comes to inflation, what we have to understand that inflation is based on the devaluing of the currency or printing of money. Now, right now we've got deficit spending, we've got a lot of money printing, so it's pretty obvious. And you start to see it in places that you didn't expect to see it before, like lumber, as an example. But you see it in food, you see it at the grocery store, you see it when you fill your tank up with gas. And it's gonna get worse. And when you go back to where it came from, you say, oh, it's because the money that's been printed is incredible. It's beyond comprehension what's been done. Now in 2008, when they did quantitative easing, gold went from basically $600 an ounce and it hit $2,000 an ounce. Silver went from $18 an ounce and it hit $50 an ounce or $48 an ounce. Now the money that has been created in a shorter amount of time is going to have the same effect on assets that are small, that there's a small amount of these products. There's less than $10 trillion worth of gold in the world. And currently, as we're doing this, there's over $300 trillion of debt. What is going to happen when that debt starts being called in, when people start needing to, whether it's they're going bankrupt or whatever it is, what's happening with those debts, there's going to be an implosion. And you don't want to be on that train. You want to be protected. This is why you have home insurance, car insurance, life insurance. What kind of insurance do you have for your wealth? And that's what gold and silver are going to do.